Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to use high contrast keyboard in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to the typing interface and see here. This is the default keyboard which is in black and white. Okay, if you would like to use high contrast keyboard like black 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 and yellow combination and other combination, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone here and then go to general management, and here select Samsung keyboard settings, and here select high contrast keyboard option. Just click that and turn on this button and click over high contrast keyboard, and by default this will be the high contrast keyboard as of now. If you would like to change to other option, yes, you can select. See here. Okay, so what from these four options you can select. These are all the high contrast keyboard. Okay, I would like to set in the first option and just go back, and now go to the typing interface and see here. This is the high contrast keyboard. Okay, so in this way you can easily use high contrast keyboard in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.